Hey everyone, this is Dennis aka Stockoperator. I want to break down some stocks I traded today. First of all, we'll start with SPLK. It was an earnings play. I like this for potential continuational sell-off down. The problem is it was down already 20% or something around that number. So I had this levels marked for potential sell-off. I waited 1 minute, then volume came in. I took short 1 minute ORB below the pre-market low. Took out 50% off. Unfortunately, 15% off, and the rest of it I put in my stop below above VWAP and 9 EMA. Even if I would be break even, it would tag me easily. The way it was selling, it wasn't indicating that it has juice to sell. That's mean there's not enough sellers. There's not enough sellers who's stepping up right now. There's more like buyers who willing to buy at this level. So, and then we coded this for potential reversal because it wasn't just selling off. It wasn't just moving down. So as you can see, shorts got squeezed eventually after this trend line broke. You could take a couple positions here above VWAP. Looked really good. So another trade I took, it's CRM. I like this for a second day play. Quick pullback. Again, sometimes it takes time for them to set up. And this one put a lower low, as you can see, just now. And I was afraid of that. What I like on this play, again, I like drawing these trend lines. So we had a small channel building on smaller channel building on a 1 minute time frame. As you can see, down, move up, down, move up. I didn't want to buy here because we just came on a big bars and we could easily pull back. I waited for this and bought it around 9 EMA. Stop was still low of the day because you don't know if this is going to play it out. Then we pushed higher. Again, I went into the breakout too early. Ideally, you want to see pullback again for tester and go long again as a confirmation. So, but this one, since it was down a lot, could have some shorts in the play and we could squeeze easily. So I added more to my position, now mitigating my stop towards this area. So I'm on double risk right now. Double risk. And then when we don't do what we want to do, we're not curling up. I didn't wait for my stock to get hit. I got out instead of risking losing $400. I lost 182. You got to be smart and stalk this name. You see this 5 minute setup, push up, down, up, but not completely. The price struggling to go higher, and then we start going down. So that's what I was anticipating, potential double bottom and even tagging lower people. So it's not ready for a quick pullback. And this was not a swing for multiple days, because if it's a swing for multiple days, quick pullback, you gotta wait first of all for breakout and confirmation, and you gotta put your stop low of the day, the prior day. This was more of an intraday swing. I wanted to see break above this area, entering the bottom of the range. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. My playbook, multiple playbooks here, but you know, sometimes they don't work, and that's fine as long as you keep trying it and doing the same thing over and over again. AAL had on a watch, great stock from the pre-market, nice consolidation. Volume came, nice push, pullback. Was definitely bigger than I expected. So I didn't want to buy here. I didn't want to buy on this one. I waited for this kind of like pullback close to VWAP. Again, this is my mistake. Sometimes I'm doing this stupid things like this, buying it into tick up after the red candle. Should stop doing this, and I didn't wait for my stop to get hit. My stop was right here. Again, if I would put my stop low of the day, and this is very important, like the prior example I show you, you don't know if this pivot point it's already in play, right? Because especially the volume is not there. That's why you gotta give it a room, put it low of the day or below, and I would never get stepped out, and I would actually add to my position and then mitigate my stop towards this area. As you can see, the wedge start to break out, the volume increasing, the squeeze coming in. we're breaking. The reason we also like this, it's a daily setup above this pivot point, potential breakout, continuation, and besides that, it's a value buy. It's super cheap. Look at this. It's like came from 28, super cheap. Missed opportunity, and you gotta learn from this. You can see you always can re-enter back. You always can re-enter back and play it out. I almost bought it right here, but was trading something else as well, and this thing just ran. Another stock I traded, it was PLTR, and this was very clean. Very clean. We took a long here after this engulfing price action around VWAP, stop 24. That was a clear 24 level hold, and waited and waited and waited. Partial towards 25, partial, and then we saw big orders on level 2. I added to my position, risking 24.80. That was like almost 1,000 shares add. Not a lot. A partial immediately, as you can see. The reason I did this, the way we filled this 25 number, wasn't completely confident about. Usually we gotta fly another 10-20 cents pretty quick, and we didn't do it. We had a little bit of hesitation. It was a little heavy. So, and then I just get out more here, and then completely get out at break even. And thanks to PLTR again, putting me in a green day. And as you can see, it was a little heavy. As you can see, it was heavy, and now we're pulling down. Now you can play this for a short. Let's see for the retest and play this for a short. What lessons we learned today? What lessons we learned today? Being patient and stalking trades. If you have opportunities like AAL or like Boeing was another name we were watching. You gotta keep putting pros and cons, and always look at the market. What's market doing? Market wasn't doing anything for the first 30 minutes, kind of sideways consolidation. IVM slightly was going up, but you gotta keep stalking this and find the best opportunity from all your stocks you're watching. And this was really the best high quality opportunity to play this long upside, as you can see. And still grinding. You can still be in this play for 9 EMA grind, partial on extension, and move your stop towards 9 EMA and some pivot points. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you traded well, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.